Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's recipe is peas paratha. It is a healthy, yummy and flavorable paratha prepared in most simplest method with few basic ingredients which is available in your kitchen. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So first in a blender, add 1 cup of boiled green peas, 2 to 3 green chillies, 1 spoon of salt, grind it into a fine paste adding little water. In a wide bowl, add blender paste. Now add 1 cup of onions, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 spoon of fennel powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 to 2 cup of wheat flour, mix well and knead well. Allow the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, punch medium-sized portion of dough. Roll into medium-sized circle using a rolling pin, just like a regular chapati. Now heat a tawa and place the paratha on it. Apply some oil on top and cook it on medium to low flame. When brown spots appear, flip the paratha and cook till done. Transfer the cooked paratha to a plate. Serve it hot with any gravy of your choice. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.